Welcome to Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, aka SEA Airport. Let's review everything you need to know for your international flight. Passengers are required to go through passport control by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, aka CBP, at their first point of entry into the United States. At SEA, we use the International Arrivals Facility, aka the IAF. If you're flying into SEA from a pre-clearance airport, you will go through U.S. passport control at the origin airport instead of the IAF. There's 3 easy steps you need to know for your upcoming trip. All international flights will arrive on either the S or A concourses to reach passport control. Either way, there are great views along the way. SEA has options to make your travels accessible. If you need mobility assistance, please coordinate wheelchair services with your airline. If you have a visible or invisible disability, please request a sunflower lanyard from the team in green so we can help. Multiple languages are available on digital signage. Once you arrive at the welcome portal, you'll find art, restrooms, a pet relief area, and a nursing suite. At SEA, when you arrive from an international flight, you must claim your checked bags before you go through passport control, even if you're connecting. As you enter, double-check the overhead signage to see your assigned baggage claim for your flight. When you get to the lower floor, find your assigned baggage claim with your arriving flight information. Over and odd-sized luggage can be claimed nearby. Luggage carts are also available free of charge. Other amenities like water refill stations, airline customer service desks, and adult changing tables can be found near the baggage claim restrooms downstairs. Any luggage assistance needs to be coordinated with your airline. If you're traveling with pets in the aircraft's cargo hold, they can be collected outside of the IAF exit. Passport control. Passport control is available by different citizenship types, trusted traveler programs, or visas. Each screening type has a dedicated lane for passport control. Pick the best option that fits for you, including global entry, mobile passport control, accessibility, U.S. citizens, and non-U.S. citizens. Overhead signs are there to help you find the correct lane based on your entry status. Interpretation services are also available at the passport control booths. Step 3. Option to connect. If you're connecting to another flight, head to the walkway on the right. Airline customer service counters are available with staff for baggage recheck and to assist with any ticketing needs. Proceed to the TSA checkpoint to continue your journey through the terminal and to your next gate, dining, retail, and more. Step 3. Option to exit to Seattle. If Seattle is your destination, head to the left after passport control and take the ramp down, welcoming you to the Pacific Northwest. From there, you'll enter into the main terminal where you can meet friends and family, head to the parking garage, link light rail, shuttles, or other ground transportation options. Welcome here, welcome home. For more information, go to flysea.org.